Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a 5-star Mr. Bob snow sculpture in Heartopia. First, make sure you have already activated the snow sculpting hobby in and reach level 5 for the maximum level. And if you don't know how to unlock or level it up, just check the tutorial links in the descriptions. And then next for the important part to get the 5-star sculpture of the Mr. Bob like this. It will look like this. It's so perfect sculpture. You must sculpt during the correct weather. You must sculpt at the sunny, rainy, and rainbow almost all time like this. And then after that, just begin this snow sculpting mini game. And then at the tapping rounds, just try to complete as many rounds as possible. The more rounds that you successfully complete, the higher your chance to obtain a perfect sculpture like this. Like this. And then, so just remember for the correct weather and many complete rounds to make the best chance for the Mr. Bob sculpture like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.